Sorry, Mr. MC, I would request for more than 2 minutes because of the charge from the ministry. You don't give the ministry that limitation, because I can also cause problem when the Secretary can defend you. Thank you. Right, Honorable. You are most welcome. Sir, on behalf of the ministry and as a course coordinator from the ministry, allow me to give you a brief about the training. First of all, this is our mandate as a Ministry of Information, Communication Technology and National Guidance. This is our mandate. So our role is to make sure that we impart value to the citizens of the Republic of Uganda and beyond. So this training is directly and completely organized by the ministry. The ministry designed this training and coordinate with the office of the RDC. But so I want to give you a good report that the office of the RDC of Agago district deserved a special honor.
Asante sana!
The office of the RDC of Agago has been in charge and is still in charge of the Acoli sub-region, other RDCs, and they are all here. We are going to recognize them. But this has been the hub. But I've been walking around, maybe one of the challenges which I don't need to forget, other people are also stop bringing politics that they are the one organizing, when actually it's the cause for RDC. So let's be careful when we are talking. I'm talking to other people who have been talking other things, that they are the one organizing, not the RDC's office. That's a lie. It's the office of the RDC that is in charge, that was mandated by the ministry, and they are the one who have organized this training on our behalf.
Asante sana!
We are supposed to be the change agent of the Republic of Uganda. That's Vision 2040. And that's what we are implementing, sir, with the office. We have been consulting you. We are implementing the 4 pillars of NRM, which you all know: patriotism, democracy, Pan-Africanism, and socio-economic transformation. That's why we are here. And we are very proud that this training is very successful. And we are proud of you, sir. For the last 1 week, sir, you remember you were in the Omoro district some few months ago. We were together with you and you came. But I don't want to report what others can't hear. You remember in Omoro and here, but here we have scored highly because you told us to be perfect. And now I want to report to you that the cadres, you see them here, are extremely excellent.
Asante sana! Ongeza tena!
The evidence you have seen, both in the field and here, it will speak by itself. I want to, in a special way, recognize as a ministry the following. 1, all the RDCs, assistant, all of you. I know the RDC will do that, but in a special way, allow me to request you to stand up. You may not introduce yourself, but stand up for special recognition. Honorable Secretary General, the work beyond self, they have done it, and they are here. And they have been with us from day 1 up to now. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Asante sana!
Allow me, in a special way, Honorable Secretary General, recognize the district of Agago. Since we came, the chairman LOC5, I think he has not gone back home. The district executive, the chairman LOC5, and the RDC, they have been here and they are here with us. Right, Honorable Chairman, please stand up for recognition. And the team, I'm talking about the technical team. All these technical teams are here, councillors, LOC5, councillors, LOC3, and others, they are all here. Thank you so much for this.
Asante sana!
My job is to extend appreciation. Wanadiso and DPC, please kindly. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Asante sana.
We have the brigade commander. Please, sir, in a special way, we want to recognize you and the team. Thank you so much.
Asante sana.
Those who are here, when we appreciate you, please extend our appreciation up to the division commander and the team, the chain of command. Thank you so much. And we have the instructors. Instructors, these are special team. The product of the training comes from the instructors, and we are very grateful for the boss. Thank you on behalf of the instructors. Thank you so much.
Asante sana.
As we create change agent, Secretary General, allow me in a special way to recognize our own, the minister. We call her Mama, our own, Mama Agago. Please, I know your time will come, but allow me on behalf of request you to stand up for recognition.
Asante sana. Ongeza tena.
Thank you so much, Mama. We are very proud of you. The team, this training, you cannot avoid the people who are in the kitchen. People in the kitchen, the message will go there in their own way. We thank them.
Asante sana.
We thank the community, because in any way you can't avoid the community. Thank the community. We thank you so much, the community, the team. And another special way, I want to recognize the SAS, Senior Assistant Secretary. Sir, Senior Assistant Secretary has got a special request here. And because she is not on the program, we request that we hand it over to you so that you look at it. Thank you so much, Madam, and your team. Your request has arrived safely and you will get everything beyond 100%.
Asante sana.
Right, Honorable Secretary General, in this training there are a lot of injuries. Sometimes it is cold, sometimes it is hot, sometimes when you are doing parade, the leg can go in different order because you have not been used to it, but the doctors who have the special team, they are there. You can see we have a special, actually this is our health center 4. We have everything there. That's why we are healthy. We thank the team for the medical team. Thank you so much, medical team. Thank you.
Asante sana.
And finally, allow me in a special way thank the ministry's team, the team from the ministry. It's very rare to find those in Kampala coming to be comfortable here. Sometimes they fear, sometimes some of us in Kampala will fear mosquito, but this team, they don't fear mosquito, headed by Uzei JJ. All the team from the ministry stand up. Thank you so much. I'm glad you know all of them. I don't have time to introduce. These are your comrades.
Asante sana.
We are here to remind ourselves that the Uganda belongs to us, and we are here to move. But Right Honorable Secretary General, there's this program called the String Rain, where we are supposed to be able to make money by ourselves. Patient capital. We know you are handling it in the headquarters. This is the corridor where patient capital will make ourselves get money. We must be able to work and get money by ourselves. And we are going to share the details with you. That is patient capital. People must learn to work and get money as early as possible. We will share with you other details that you advise. On that special note, I want to thank the participants. Thank you so much, participants, for being available, for coming, for being disciplined. Very much, thank you so much.
Asante sana.
We would have loved to give certificate now, but we got instruction, certificate will be given from the other side. I want to make that clear. We would have loved to give certificate now, but certificate will be given from the other side, because we have another journey to make. But as I give this microphone, allow me to request the RDC Agago, please stand up kindly, sir. I know that man, Bwana Secretary General, he has something special in him. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Asante sana.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.